For this project, we worked off the existing framing, no new structure. But we did upgrade the surface with new AC plywood, chamfer strips, and PVC trim boards to get it ready for long-term protection. The field of the deck was covered with AC plywood, and we added chamfer strips along the base of the parapet walls to help smooth out the transition between horizontal and vertical surfaces. That angled detail helps prevent stress cracking where coatings tend to fail. Up top, the parapet wall caps were built out with a combination of plywood and PVC fascia trim. These caps may look like a finishing detail, but they're structural, tied into the framing, and fully exposed to the elements. That's why we approach both areas, the deck and the wall caps, with the same level of prep and protection, even though they're not part of one continuous spray. Polyurea is applied up the vertical walls about 10 to 12 inches, creating a solid waterproof base and splash protection. It's not just for looks. It's a working membrane that keeps water from sitting or creeping into seams. Then the parapet caps are treated separately, sanded, cleaned, and sprayed with the same polyurea system to match both performance and appearance. These aren't just painted over, they're fully sealed for real weather resistance. So while the deck surface and the parapet caps aren't one single piece, the level of care, prep, and coating is consistent across the board. The result is a system where every exposure point is addressed, every edge, every cap, every joint sealed tight. At OC Fiberglass, we don't just waterproof what's underfoot. We protect every part of the deck that's exposed to the elements, especially where the structure connects back to the home, because that's where failures usually happen. Built to last, sealed to perform. That's the OC Fiberglass standard.